na mirurungano ni Azimio la umoja makiuga ati mirurungano ino iria mathiite na mbere na gwitia gwa kahinda ga thikũ ithatu thiini wa kiumia gikiuga ati ikoretwo iri ya kuhinyiriria muingi wa bururi wa Kenya na makiria kuri ahuri a biacara na kuririkana na Samuel Ireri uria ugite ati mirurungano ino no hathara irathie na mbere gukorwo ikirehe bururi-ini wa Kenya, akiongerera kuga ati Raila Odinga ni akoretwo kirehe akiaga gukorwo akihimbiria uthii no nyitaniri wa aria makoragwo bururi-ini uyu na guthie na mbere na gukiuga ati utonga wa bururi no guthie urathie na mbere na gukorwo ugikihuka na makiria kinyagia ugakorwo gicungiriria uhuki wa uhuri wa biacara kinyagia mabururi ma nanja.
Is very much committed in the warfare of the people of Kenya. We sat down as the Kenya Kwanza leadership yesterday. And we agreed in one voice that on Wednesday, when Azimio and Raila Odinga and his team will do demonstration in the Republic of Kenya, I am asking the church to pray for Kenyans and for leaders and especially also for the president, because we made a decision yesterday, and it's a very firm decision, that it will be the last day when we will have violent demonstrations in the Republic of Kenya. The demonstrations which we'll be having in Kenya will be peaceful and unarmed.
All these leaders who are leading these manos, they just come and pretend in front of us. When you go to the US, they have mansions. Nyumba nene, mansions, big cars, boats. They live like kings and queens back there. When they take vacations, the kids are all over them. Just because
my bill on demonstrations, picketing, and presentation of petition to public authorities was endorsed yesterday, received a nod with the leadership of Kenya Kwanza to be fast track to ensure we will have peaceful and armed demonstration in the future in our country.
We have decided this. We are petitioning each diaspora person, a Kenyan who lives outside Kenya. That means Uganda, South Sudan, Somalia, America, Canada, Australia, Germany, France. If you're a Kenyan, we are putting a petition together to talk to your local government, to talk to your governments, states governments, to ensure that sanctions are put in place for these people. They cannot destroy Kenya and go live outside the world. So we need that money to come back here at home.